Hi guys, Terry here. I saw these at the Ikea store. I guess they're called Vinter. How cute is that? So these were, I think they were $5.99. I'll insert the price if that's a different number. But I thought these were adorable. Here's what they look like. Aren't those cute? Nice little glass jar. I thought they were cute. When you open up the package, it has some tissue paper, and then you have to add this little rubber gauge to it. I thought these would make the perfect little, just a nice little gift to give to friends. So I've got this, and I went and bought some Christmas M&Ms. So I thought these would be cute to put in the jars. I can't believe it's not even Thanksgiving and we can find Christmas candy already. But how cute are these? Oh, those M&Ms smell good. So aren't those cute? So it comes with two with the red coloring, and then the middle one has white on it. So how fun and cute are those? I just thought those were cute. So I'll have a little Christmas card with it, and then just a little gift, put in a gift bag, and that'll be cute for friends. So I thought these were cute. I'll have a link to the Ikea site, and found these to be just so cute. So they come in a pack of 3. Like I said, I think they're $5.99. So I think they're really cute. So just a Christmas gift idea. Thanks for watching.